And just like that, guys, she is home. First thing, we had a bad battery, so we are in the process of changing that out. All right, not quite the factory one, but as you know, with the supply shortage, just got to go with the next best thing. All right, so that is her. She's home, and let the projects begin. So first order of business is changing out this battery. Back at you. Batteries in, quick start, and this is what we have. A few fault lights there, but in spite of that, no check engine light. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. See, the GPS works, radio works. Do not own the copyrights to that music. And we're actually 167 on the clock. Let's check out the back. And guys, we're dealing with the Mark Levinson sound system. Top of the line for Lexus. Alright, we have some debris. We have the hood struts failing here. Umbrella, rags. I'm gonna find out what that Brookstone thing is. More umbrellas. That's where your GPS navigation system is. And of course we have the first aid kit. It appears that we have all the tools. That's a good thing. We also have some oil. But we'll look into that later. I did scan this, guys, and there were no fault codes. And I did run a Carfax on it. And nothing major, just that issue there. So far, we've ordered the fender for this. Over here. So we've ordered the fender. There's no structural damage that I can see or tell. We're gonna have to get into some electricals with some of these wires, etc. As you can see, fresh battery in. Had to rig it up a little bit on the power side for everything to fit. Right. So on the drive home, the quick drive, it was a little lumpy on the front. Figure the tires, I know when the tires was losing air pretty rapidly, and sure enough, it's gone down again. So we're gonna have to look into swapping out some tires. All right, but for now, it's all about cleaning up and you know, one by one locating all the faults, and then before you know it, pretty soon this whole thing will be all squared away. All right, guys, again, one key, and she's back, she's home. All right, she is home, and dare I say, it's also possibly the cheapest running one that I could find. So guys, when we're done, this is gonna be a beauty. All right, guys. Oh yeah, and we still got to sort the top out. So one thing at a time. It's winter now, so you know, we'll ride as a hard top or as a coupe. All right. We have the flip out trays, heated seats, power and snow for your transmission settings. Oh, and the question you guys I know you have on your mind: how many keys does this come with? This came with 1 key. All right, and it is not the it's not the remote version. So I had this one for the LS430, the 2001 that I had. I'm not sure if this one will be compatible, so I'm gonna have to check that out, and we'll be finding that out together. All right, guys, but so far so good. She's running very nice. Engine sounds strong. This one, as you might know, has the same 4.3 liter as the LS430s. Spitting out about 300 horsepower, 325 pound-foot torque. 0 to 60 in about 5.7 seconds. All right, and that's it, guys. Talk to you soon. 1 key out. So guys, the headlights are now both working. Before it was just this side, and as you remember, all the connectors were disconnected from here. So we've gone ahead, found a home for each one of them except the side markers, which were popped out the socket there. We're going to go ahead and do some soldering and square that away. But right now we have the lights working on both sides, and all I need to do is go ahead and try to mount this somehow, or source another headlight housing. As you can see, it's just a bracket right there that's connecting those points. That's over there, that's missing. But so far so good. We are functional, guys. We are functional. 1 key up. So guys, I was informed, if you remember, prior to picking this up, that the convertible top was inoperable, was not working. So I wanted to go ahead and try something. First, we're gonna go in and we're gonna check the functionality of it right now. So guys, we had gone ahead, put in a fresh, brand new battery. Okay, so when we try to open the convertible top, this is what happens. We get the flashing light. All right. From what I know, the trunk, there's a covering in the trunk that has to be pulled and oriented a certain way for the convertible roof to work. So we're gonna go and do that and see if that cures our problem. Stand by. So guys, this is it, and I don't believe I've ever tried it, or this was ever done, or an option tried. Not certain, but if this cures our problem, then this would, okay, so it has to be like that. All right, and if this cures our problem, guys, this would be awesome. All right, hold on. Okay, so that's set. We're back in the car. Let's try this. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Unbelievable. So those are fixed. Guys, that's the easiest fix, guys. Easiest fix I've encountered. We are all the way down. Hold on, guys. This is possibly the biggest win so far. I had to go ahead and replace the one of the front tires with a spare from the LS430 because there's a hole in it. But guys, look at that. The fender should be here shortly. All right, so let's try this. Let's get back in and see if it goes the opposite way. Okay guys, so we're gonna close it now. Sorry about the glare, the sun. And it's closed. Windows are back up. Big win, guys. Big win. One key out. Stand by.